Got one here. Got one so far. Dip that. I want to see that hold. Right on the morning. Just one contract really small because in case they want to go straight down. We're also at the 38.2 fib on the 5-minute chart, okay? So dipped one real quick at the open. Gonna sell one here, nice, 500 bucks. On the hourly chart, it's gotta start printing this higher low here. If they crack this line here, if they crack this line, which is the, I think the over the weekend lows here, then we don't have a higher low. Right now, you want to do some kind of inverted head and shoulder on the hourly chart, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. So you really don't want it to crack sub this line here. Even if it does, I guess, 21,100. Like if it sells another 100 points lower, it's going to kind of put a dent on the bullish case on the short term. So right now, if you're a bull, you want to see them hold here, okay? Not a lot of umph on the push up here. Not a lot of umph. Like with this kind of sell, we should have seen this at 250 already. So the fact that it's not, you know, take some off. Took one more off, holding 4.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice. I'm out. 2,600 right into the box. Little downtrend break on that inversion long there. Print selects can go down and it rips it up. You passed your account, Connor? Nice. Great job, man. Great job.
Order filled.
Past 150. Nice, Ola. This is an indicator, that's right. If it wasn't too early, I'd probably do a Warrior song right here, but it's like 9:46. I know on the West Coast, some people it's like 6:46 right now. If I play the Warrior music, I don't want to blast out their morning calm there, so. Yeah, some people still sleeping. That's why, I mean, normal. I probably would do the Warrior song right now, but. You know West Coast, Jose? It's time for the Warrior music, Trinator. Oh, man. What do you mean the contracts change? What does that mean?
Order filled.
Nice. You know what? I'm going to be out on this one here.
Order filled.
Nice. 1,400. Lock it in. Rotate out to another account. I really should charge a brand new price for it like other people, but, you know. I really like the community. I think you guys will appreciate the fact that I give you guys free upgrades, so. I bought many 2.0s, 3.0s myself in other courses, so. But you guys will get it free. Good afternoon from Germany. Good afternoon, Jesse. Chuck, there's no problem with the CA rule. They allow it, but you have to satisfy all the other rules like 30%. Noise! I'm out. $1,000, 3 contracts, right into the bubble. Right into the bubble. Shorted right into the bubble, man. Noise. Kind of a little dangerous long here, guys, but I'm going to try it. If they don't hold here, they're going to come back in this channel here, so it's kind of dangerous. I'm looking for momentum to the upside to squeeze up into this pre-market high to sweep this level. But it could be dangerous if they don't go, then they can come back in this channel, and which means I'm going to get dumped on. So you better know this if you're going to long it up here. So that's why I only got 1 contract so far, knowing that this could be a channel that if it doesn't bust up, then they can come down and, you know, do the lower channel here. So far I got only 1 on. Looks like they're going to go. I'm out. PL section here. We got Barrio here yesterday. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 10K right there. Gonna give you a 10K badge there. Slow and steady. Savage. Lock in those payouts. I like that. Slow and steady sometimes wins the race. Investor due a little late to post, but got approved after being under review. Nice. First Apex payout, 1280 on a 25K account. Thank you to this community and thank God. Great job, man, Richard. Yeah, Lido, quite a few people. I have no idea, but probably a bunch. Probably a bunch. The thing is, I asked David from Apex. He said it's like a 30-day period, whatever that means, to see whether they put you live. If they don't put you to live, I think they give you the ability to buy evals again. So you kind of have to weather it out. In the meantime, you know, if you can't buy evals with Apex, then, you know, buy Boondocks. Boondocks have 91% off right now. 91% off. And if you can buy Apex, it's 90% off in the next 2 days. So take your pick. I mean, if you don't like their rules, don't trade them. Their house, their rules. You don't like them, go with trade, take profit, right? Number one prop firm. Then Tradeify. Then Boonocks, right? So I'm doing all four. So thanks, John. Appreciate that, man. And if you get end up getting 10 take profit with my code, just shoot me a screenshot of all those accounts and then you get my course free, okay? You're not the federal signal post. So buck up and dry. Come on, man. Sweep that line there, man. I'm going to do it a little bit before that line. Just in case. Just in case.
Order filled.
Boom! $1,000 in 2 contracts. Boom! Yeah, Zen. We want to foster a community that's is positive, encouraging, right? So I really want to get long on this, but they don't give me a chance to get long, so now I have to do the inverse on a sweep. Daydream, it's not even about whether you love or hate one person. We just don't either side, no matter which side you're on, we just keep it neutral and positive, okay? Sometimes we get into some of the what happened in politics, not so that we talk about it, it's just so that we know the market action. For example, when there's a 90-day pause on the trade war, right? Then we know that, the market went up, so we talk about it. But we don't talk politics for the sake of just talking politics, because it's a very bipolar subject with people on either side. Looks like I want to keep squeezing here, man. I may get squeezed here, so.
Order canceled.
All right, locked in here, $180 on this PA here. More data in 1 minute. In 3 seconds, let's see what the data is. 10:30. No, I think 11:30 is the 6-month thing. 10:30 is just a Dallas Fed something business index or something like that. So
Order canceled.
sold one in this PA here. Just trying to lock $200-300, $200-300 on each PA, right? Nothing crazy. Alternate it. Lock here, lock there.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm using Ninja. That's right.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, I'm out. Nice. $720. $700 on the PA. On the fund it. Nice. Inside my course in module 4, I give you my trading strategies. And module 4.3 inversion squeeze long is what we do here. And you'll see why I took the long there. If you're like, oh, it was going down, why did you take it while it was going down? It's because it's called the inversion long. Okay, inversion long is, I give you an example of how to trade it. You saw it in real time. And also, what is the inversion squeeze long? I talk about it. So if you want to check it out, you can go to my course at fspfutures.com. Okay. Guys, if you enjoy the community, if you like trading together, please go ahead and like the stream.